Hi guys, it's Marky. How's it going, guys? I just received this package in the mail. It's a gift from my brother, and this one has the exclusive Maverick in it. A big thank you to my brother for sending me this wonderful gift. 9-pack of Hot Wheels, and I'm dying to see the Maverick. Look at that. That is so awesome. So again, a big thank you to my brother for sending me this wonderful gift. Awesome. I got the exclusive Maverick. This is really cool. Maverick Grabber. So nice. It's a 1971. The Maverick Grabber, made in Malaysia. It's got the exhaust back here. You can see the two pipes there towards the back. Awesome, so awesome. Beautiful. We do have the Hot Wheels logo on the back fender. 2-door car. A really nice hood on this one. Look at that. Wipers on the glass. No side view mirrors. Oh man, we do have something here. Looks like a little paint got smeared on there. And we do have like some paint loss right there and a little smudge right there. No biggie, that'll come off. Nice handles painted in silver on the doors and the little keyhole right there painted in silver. Really nice wheels on this one in chrome. Plastic tires, they're all, looks like the same size. Just a longer axle in the back. Really cool. The vents are right there by the hood. We do have this scoop, which is amazing. These little really nice hood there. Check it out. All chrome bumper, plastic chrome. We do have the plastic grille in black. And the headlights are just painted over in white. Really beautiful orange stripes going all the way from the front all the way to the back. And we do have the parking lights, one there and one over here. And again, the silver Hot Wheels logo. Not the regular red and orange. This time it's just silver. Very subtle. Sometimes you can't see it, sometimes you see it. Sometimes you do, sometimes you don't. We do have some nice bucket seats in there. They kind of look like the Camaro, the 60s Camaro type of seats, but this is a Ford and the Camaro is a Chevy. Left side driver, so we have the vintage looking bucket seats with no headrests. Black interior. The base is chrome. We do have the grille in black and the back grille and lights all in black with the badge in the middle and the little key lock thing there right there. Really cool. We do have a little wing in the back here. Beautiful. Man, I love this Ford Maverick. So nice. I remember these windows don't roll down. They kind of like pop out on the back side. There's a little clamp and they pop out a little bit. So if you don't have AC in this car, it could get pretty hot back there. Not enough ventilation, I think, on the Maverick. That's if you get into a real one. Very nice, very nice. What else do we have in this pack? Oh, wow, check this out. The NSX 90 Acura. I don't have this car in this color, in this blue. Pretty cool. This is that translucent color where you see all the shadows in there. Very cool. Bigger tires in the back, smaller ones in front. A 1990 Acura NSX. Copyright 2014, made in Malaysia, exhaust in the back, 2 pipes. Really cool. Oh, nice details on the back. Look at that. The Acura name. We see the exhaust showing. We have a big wing here. All die-cast metal. This is all metal. All the blue area is metal. We do have a nice spoiler in plastic on the front. Plastic running boards on the sides, all part of the base. And then the exhaust is plastic on the back. We do have a spot for the license plate, but we didn't get a license plate there. But pretty cool with the name back here, and we do have those big brake lights, and you see the reverse lights there. Pretty cool. Nice striping on this one. Look at that. And then it goes all the way down here. A little point in the back. And then two that come around right there, and another small one on the bottom. Hot Wheels logo looks like silver on the back of the door there, kind of like on the back side there. And we do have the gasoline access right here. All glass on top. Look at that. Check it out. The engine right here in the back. Only a two-seater and only two doors. And it doesn't look like there's any mirrors on this one. Not inside and not on the side view here. Left side driver. Nice dashboard. Really cool. Nice bucket seats. Heavy-duty bucket seats. They got the seat belts there. And you can see the gear shifter there in the middle with the console. Very nice. The lights in the front are pop-ups. The grill's not painted out differently, or the fog lights, but they do have nice details molded in the metal. And these two look like they might be windshield spritzers with the little nozzles. These wheels look amazing. Double spokes. 5-star double spokes. Very cool. Don't know the exact name for the wheels. I know they all have like little names and codes. But pretty nice. Let's see what else we have here. Here's another realistic car. McLaren or McLaren P1 in the metallic purple. I think I have this one, or a very similar color. I know I have a purple McLaren. I don't remember the stripe. I'll have to check that, see if it has the black stripe like that. Plastic in the front. Spoiler. And wow, look at those lights. Very fancy style there. Big metal wing in the back. Nice tampo work here. The grill and some nice details. There's no extra details for the exhaust. Very plain base. P42 stamp there with the Hot Wheels logo. It's copyrighted 2014, made in Malaysia. The McLaren P1. So cool. This piece here is plastic, like black plastic. That's a glass. Plastic glass, which is kind of like see-through. Looks like it might have a little bit of a smoke to it. I'm not sure. Or it might be clear with just the dark interior. It looks like that. We do have a big windshield wiper right there on the side. Very, very nice. Big gray wheels on the back. Smaller gray wheels in the front with the 10 or 12 spokes. Very nice. I love that the wing is metal, die-cast. Very, very cool. And we have a Dodge. Cars are running everywhere. They're like rolling. They're rolling. Wow, this is all metal. Big metal wing in the back as well. So that's 3 cars with metal wings so far. Number 9 back here. This one's from the Hot Wheels race team livery. You see all the colors for the Hot Wheels. It's kind of like a matte blue on there. Plastic base. Big fat tires in the back. Dodge Challenger drift car. Beautiful logo on the side. Hot Wheels. I do have one of these in my collection already. So now we have a double. But it is the Hot Wheels race team, so in case one crashes, there's one ready to go. Another number 9 waiting in the wings. Wow, that's pretty nice. Pretty nice. I like the tampo work on the hood here. Red, orange, and white. And a lot of red, orange, and white happening here on the sides. Dodge name looks good. Very plain on the back end. And very plain blue on the front end. The blue, the black grill showing through. Indoors there inside, we have the left side driver. Bucket seats with the headrest. The console with the gear shifter. Nice dashboard there. You see the steering wheel looks pretty cool. Very, very nice. And I don't see any exhaust. Oh yeah, here it is on the side. I always look at this one and think there's no exhaust because I don't recognize those. And there they are. One on the behind the door on each side right there. Pretty cool. The Dodge Challenger. All right, all right, all right. What do we have next? A Geoterra. This one's a fantasy vehicle. It's been out in a few different colors already. Big tire in the back. Nice rugged tires. They're not too fat, kind of skinny. This one has a metal base. You can see that's diecast metal. The Geoterra, made in Malaysia, copyright 2019. So this was probably new in 2020. So it's been out for, this will be its what, third year? 2021 and 22 in this camo print, black and gray. Then it has like a dark gray base in the back. You can see there's black, gray, and then a darker gray behind it. Orange interior, left side driver, big plastic dome, and the engine is back here. Does this slide open? Or does it pop up? No, it doesn't look like. No moving parts on this one. But pretty nice, pretty nice, pretty nice. And, oh, we have a nice realistic vehicle over here. Check this out. Now, I do have this one already in my collection, the Super Sport. And it's the 67 Chevelle Super Sport 396. Incredible engine in this car. Chrome on the back, chrome on the front. Looking good. It is celebrating the Osleys 40 years. We do have the Hot Wheels logo in red. Nice badges here on the front fender. Logo on the front, stripes on the front and on the back end here. Very cool. All the windows are down. We have the triangle windows in the front end there. We do have the windshield wipers. No mirrors on the side. Everything chrome plastic in the front and plastic chrome on the back as well. All the lights and all that. The exhaust is right there on the side, and on the side you can see the two pipes coming down all the way from over here. It's a beauty. This one is out in blue as well. I think those are the only two colors for this one. What's the copyright? 2009. Yeah, the last few have been just the blue and the yellow. I'm sure it's been out in a bunch of different colors. I don't think I have it in the other colors. I'll have to check. I might have it. I might have one or two in other colors. And it comes with, the 9-pack comes with the Grupo X24. And I believe I have this one from one of the packs I got. I bought 2 9-packs not too long ago. This will be my third 9-pack for the last couple months. Bigger tire in the back, smaller one in the front. Plastic body on this one. And metal base in gold. So we have metal base. And then plastic back here in silver. Plastic silver in the front. All this is plastic on the sides. Beautiful tampo work. Look at the Hot Wheels logo with the yellow behind it and the black over it. Looking good. Looks like the interior is silver, only a one-seater with one steering wheel there. Kind of looks like a spaceship or something. Very spacey looking. And this part here reminds me of the Rocketeer's helmet. This little wing on the top there. Big fenders in the front. And I thought this might be a feature or something, but no, I don't think so. It's just the way it looks. Blacked out 5 spokes with the doubles. And this one is made in Malaysia. Copyright 2018. Let's see what else we got. Now this one, I don't know if I have it. Looks familiar. I might have this one. I'm not sure. Made in Malaysia. The Formula Flashback. And look at this giant wing back here. With all the rivets there on the sides. Big Hot Wheels logo in yellow with the black background. That looks really great. Big fat tires in the back. It's been so nice. Wow. Very cool. There's the driver inside. Looks like he's in a oval shaped cockpit there. Black ball number 8. And small tires in the front on this open wheel formula car. Copyright 2016. Check out the engine work. All these pipes back here. This almost looks like an airplane sitting on top of there. Pretty cool. Pretty cool, pretty cool. And we got one more. Let me get this plastic out of the way. And wow, look at this. All plastic body. It's got a diecast seat. Wow, that's diecast. That black seat is metal. All this is metal right here. Metal in the front. The spoiler is metal. This is kind of like reverse of what we usually get. Plastic base with a plastic front. This time they spinned it all around and they gave us plastic on top for the body. Really nice cyber looking things going on there in blue, and then the silver stripes right over that with the Hot Wheels logo in silver. We have the dashboard in plastic. We have this little steering wheel there. All plastic there. A bunch of little things happening all around. Look at all the detail. A lot going on this one. There's the front end. Kind of like the saw blades looking tires there. Let's check out the base again. We have a P42. This one's called the Monty Racer. Monty Racer. P42 Hot Wheels logo. It looks like almost looks like a chrome with the lights, but it's, I think it's just a black base with some nice glossy paint, so it's really shiny. Kind of looks like a black chrome, but it's just a black gloss. Really cool. Copyright 2015, Mattel, made in Malaysia. There you go. It's kind of hard to see right there. The Monty Racer. All right, let's line them up. What do we have? A couple of fantasy, probably. I don't know. I think these are fantasy cars. And we have the Chevelle. And a Dodge drift car. And then we have the Geoterra. And the star of the show for me is the Maverick. Which looks amazing. And I like the Acura a lot. And the McLaren. Gotta say, these are pretty cool. Pretty cool 9-pack. Really awesome. They're looking so good. Let's put the Maverick in the middle. Nice white Maverick there. And let me see. Move these back. There we go. Looking good, Maverick. Loving the Maverick. Ford Maverick, looking cool. Nice classic car there. All right, we got some beauties. Really nice additions to the collection. And there's the NSX and the Maverick. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much. You want to subscribe. You don't want to miss out on all my beautiful cars. I'm showing so many cars all the time and have over 800 videos. Check some of them out. I'll see you guys in the next one.